Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that plagues many beginners. Is raiz invest a better choice than a traditional savings account? Let's face it, saving money is crucial. But with inflation chomping away at your hard-earned cash, just keeping it under the mattress, or these days, in a basic savings account, might not be the wisest move. So, where do you go from here? Enter Raiz Invest, a micro-investing app promising to help you grow your money. But is it all sunshine and rainbows, or are there hidden clouds on the horizon? The case for savings accounts: safety first. Savings accounts are the OG of money management. They're familiar, easy to access, and most importantly, safe. Your money is typically insured by the government, meaning you won't lose it all if the bank goes belly up. Plus, they offer a guaranteed interest rate, although these rates can be pretty measly these days. The allure of Raiz Invest: potential for growth. Raiz Invest takes a different approach. It's a micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Think of ETFs as baskets filled with various stocks or bonds. By spreading your money across different assets, you aim to reduce risk while potentially earning higher returns than a basic savings account. So, what are the perks of Raiz Invest? Grow your money. Historically, the stock market has outperformed savings accounts. With Raiz Invest, you have the chance to see your money grow at a faster rate. Start small. Micro-investing allows you to begin with tiny amounts, perfect for those new to investing or with limited budgets. Roundup features, where your spare change goes towards investments, can make saving effortless. Convenience: Raiz Invest is all about ease. The app is user-friendly, and you can automate your investments to run in the background. But hold on, there's a flip side to this coin. The risks of Raiz Invest: not without bumps. While Raiz offers potential growth, it's important to understand that investing comes with inherent risks. The stock market can be volatile, and there's no guarantee of returns. Your investment value could go down in the short term. Here's what to consider when thinking about Raiz Invest. Time horizon: if you need your money soon for a down payment or emergency, Raiz Invest might not be ideal. Investing is best suited for long-term goals where you can ride out market fluctuations. Fees: Raiz Invest charges fees, which can eat into your returns. Be sure to factor these in when comparing it to savings accounts. Understanding risk: don't jump in blindly. Research different investment strategies and risk profiles offered by Raiz Invest to find one that aligns with your comfort level. The verdict: Raiz versus savings account, it depends. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best choice depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Savings account, ideal for short-term goals or if you prioritize safety and guaranteed returns, even if they're low. Raiz Invest, a good option for long-term goals and growing your money potentially at a faster rate. However, be prepared for some risk and market fluctuations. Here's a helpful tip: you can actually use both. Keep an emergency fund readily accessible in a savings account. Utilize Raiz Invest for long-term savings goals where you can tolerate some risk. Remember, financial planning is a marathon, not a sprint. Do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and choose the tools that best suit your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving and happy investing.